Our next tutorial series will be about Dockers. But you guys may be asking, what exactly is Dockers? Dockers is a way to transfer a coding project from one computer to another with no setup time. Let me explain. Coding compilers constantly update. If I take a line of code from an older version of JavaScript, there's a chance that in the newer version, the same line of code won't work. That's why compiler versions are very important to keep in mind when you're transferring a project to a different computer or copying a project on another computer. Why am I telling you this? Well, that's because Dockers solves this problem. When you code in Dockers, it brings everything you need for a project in one packaged container, including the compiler and the code itself. This means you don't have to worry about compiler versions or anything like that when you use Dockers. In the next video, we will talk about what Docker does. In the meanwhile, take care.